Jamaicans are a touchy-feely bunch. We love to show and share our affection. That's one of the reasons the current global COVID-19 pandemic has been so difficult to bear. There can be no hugging, handshakes, fist bumping, or kissing. And most importantly, we now have to ensure that we maintain a physical distance of at least 6 feet apart. Social distancing is one of the methods the government of Jamaica is using to contain the spread of the novel coronavirus. This involves limiting frequent or close physical contact. In addition, persons are required to stay at least 2 meters apart. Why? Because COVID-19 is spread through droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, and even talks. By minimizing the amount of close contact we have with others, we reduce our chances of coming in contact with those droplets and catching the virus. As new information emerges and situations improve, the government of Jamaica has been adjusting the rules. But some things remain constant, like wearing masks when entering public spaces, avoiding touching mouth, eyes, or nose, washing hands frequently with soap and water, and using a hand sanitizer if soap and water is not readily available. Generally, public gatherings should not exceed 20 persons, and the 6 feet apart minimum should be maintained. There is now a 50-person limit at weddings and funerals, provided that the venue allows for the 6 feet apart rule.
The number of persons in the space to square footage, 1 person to 36 square feet, which would give you the ability in terms of the functional space to maintain social distance, that if you stand in the square of 36 in the center, then you should have 3 feet apart. The other person standing in the other square should have 3 feet apart between both squares. From the center, you should have your 6 feet apart. So if your space can only accommodate 30 people with that physical distance requirement, then it is only 30 persons. If your space can take 1,000 persons, there is a cap, only 50.
A maximum of 15 persons can be at a burial site. Social distancing is also required in all public and private offices. The same is true for business establishments. Dining at restaurants is permitted, but occupancy cannot exceed 50% of the facility's capacity with no more than 4 persons seated at a table. Only 60% of the seating capacity at cinemas, playhouses, and theaters can be used, with 2 rows left empty to facilitate the movement of persons across the width of the venue. A family or group of 4 are allowed to sit side by side. Buses will only be allowed to carry seated passengers. Public passenger vehicle license holders may carry the full complement of passengers as stipulated by their license. This, however, is subject to all occupants wearing masks, all windows being open, and air conditioning being off.
Remember, observe the measures. Wear your mask, do your hand sanitizing, do your social distancing, and just be very careful about your personal health and your own interactions.